Do you have difficulty using the verbs do and make correctly? If you do, I have just the thing to help. What you're looking at is a quick journey through my new English activation pack. You can see that it contains a wealth of information and explanations of when and why to use do or make. You can't see and do the quiz, the timeline, the glossary, or the conversation simulation. For that, you need to get access to this English activation pack at Britlish.com. I can honestly say this English activation pack is the best English learning material I've produced to date. It marks the shape of things to come at Britlish.com. You can get access to this English activation pack for the price you want to pay at Britlish.com. I hope to see you there.